Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ifixx Electronics SXM. In today's video, we have Samsung A51. This phone is here for data recovery. As you can see, it's not coming on completely. In this model, this kind of problem comes from two sections. Section 1 is a screen can be faulty. To confirm that, we're going to check with new screen. Here we are testing with the new screen, but the problem is still same. Now let's test with the power supply to confirm. If it's a battery power problem or any short circuit. No, we don't see any short circuit in motherboard. We tested with the screen the power supply, and the problem is still same. No, second major problem in this models is RAM connection issue. This phone have Exynos CPU. Like many other models in Samsung in a series and M series. And so in between CPU and RAM, become loose with overpay of time.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
As you can see, CPU is downside and RAM is on the top of CPU.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in
For data recovery, we are going to try a quick trick.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids scream
Apply heat for 15 to 20 seconds on the RAM.
some days I feel skinnier than
And fix the board and housing. Try turning on. If it is on, you can back up the data.
I live my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. attention. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption.
Yeah, the phone is on now. We can back up the data.